Hello, my name's Anders, and surprisingly, today I'm going to talk about how to announce becoming a grandmother on Facebook. Now, there's a couple fun ways to do this, and I think it's great because I get to show you all about it. The first one is once you've signed into Facebook, go to your search bar and type in grandmother. Now, you're going to find many different results, and I think that one specifically that would apply to you if you're becoming a grandmother, which is super exciting, by the way, is the interest grandmother. Now you can click on that and it's going to load and you can click like. Now when you click like, being a grandmother will become an interest of yours, which if that's what you're becoming, you may want to let Facebook know about this. And by liking it, you'll be able to show that off to your friends and family. Another interest underneath grandmother may be grandparent. You may also want to like this interest as well for the same reasons. We're just going to go back to our main page here. Other fun things to do can be updating your status with I'm a grandmother or something along the same lines as that. You can add a photo or video of your grandchildren. You could even ask a question asking the question, guess what? And then you could have different answers to that, being you're a grandparent, you're a grandmother, and that can just be a really fun little way for people to see that quiz and know that you're probably a grandparent at this point. Other things that you can do, if you are friends with your grandkids, you can actually find them in your friends pane just by clicking on it, searching their name, and then, actually, let's see here. Here's my friend Alicia. Now, Alicia is in no way my grandparent, and I am in no way her grandmother. But if I was, I might click on her name, and I might actually click on friends here, and I might actually add her as a closer friend or an acquaintance. Now, in her About pane, there is a way to add her as my grandchild, but because we're not related, that's impossible to do at this point. But yeah, my name's Anders, and those are some fun ways that you can let Facebook know that you're becoming a grandmother.